Diurnal birds of prey. These are the types of birds that mainly known as diurnal birds of prey that come under the order of Accipitriformes. These birds use their beaks and sharp talons to maim the prey and are also called day hunters. Secretary bird, California condor, bald eagle are some of the examples of these birds. Waterfowl birds. Ducks, swans, and geese are some of the popular waterfowl birds that belong to the order of Anseriformes, and these usually are found in freshwater ponds. Anatidae, Anhimidae and Anserinatidae are the three families you can find in this order. Some of the examples of these birds are wood duck, Canada goose, mandarin duck. Hummingbirds and swifts. Apodiformes is the order to which hummingbirds and swifts belong to. Agothelidae, Hemiprocnidae, Apodidae and Trochilidae are the families that are prominent in this order. Some of the examples of these birds are amethyst woodstar, Andean emerald, black inca. Kiwis and extinct birds. Kiwis are unique species that you can only find in the area of New Zealand and Australia. They belong to the order of Apterygiformes, and most of the birds are extinct. Southern brown kiwi, great spotted kiwi, little spotted kiwi, Okarito kiwi and North Island brown kiwi are the 5 birds you can find in this group. Hornbills and hoopoes. Hornbills and hoopoes belong to the order of Buceratiformes. Bucerotidae, Phoeniculidae, Bucorvidae and Upupidae are the 4 families that belong to this order. African grey hornbill, red-billed hornbill, pied hornbill, Sri Lanka grey hornbill are some of the examples. Nightjars, frogmouths and oilbirds. Nightjars, frogmouths and oilbirds are the families of birds that belong to the order of Caprimulgiformes, out of which nightjars are the biggest family. You can find it all over the world except Antarctica. Oilbird, Wallace's owlet nightjar, mountain owlet nightjar, tawny frogmouth, Gould's frogmouth are some of the examples of these types of birds. Syremas. Syremas are the only species of birds that come under the order of Caryamiformes. Present-day and extinct species of birds are part of this order. Red-legged sirema, black-legged sirema, terror birds are some of the examples of syremas. Emus and cassowaries. There are 2 flightless terrestrial bird families that belong to the order of Casuariiformes, emus and cassowaries, that are especially native to Australia. Few living species of this order are cassowary, Casuarius unappendiculatus, Casuarius bennetti, emu. Shorebirds. Shoebirds belong to the order of Charadriiformes that have around 350 species in it, with characteristics common among them. Some of the birds that belong to the shoebird species are considered endangered. Some of the birds in these species are razorbill, horned puffin, crested auklet, the piping plover. Storks, herons and vultures. Storks, herons and vultures belong to the order of Cyconiformes. These are either aquatic birds or birds that live near the water with distinct features. Great blue heron, cattle egret, snowy egret, shoebill are some of the examples of the species. Mousebirds. There are only 6 species of mousebirds that belong to the order of Coliformes that you can find in sub-Saharan Africa. Chestnut-backed mousebird, bar-breasted mousebirds, white-backed mousebird, blue-napped mousebird, red-faced mousebird, white-headed mousebird are the names of the 6 species. Pigeons and dodos. Both the living and extinct species of pigeons and dodos belong to the order Columbiformes. You can easily recognize these birds anywhere because of their distinctive features. Laughing dove, diamond dove, passenger pigeon, dodo are some of the examples of these species. Kingfishers, rollers and bee-eaters. Caraciformes is the order of species that have colorful and variety of birds. Rollers are considered the leading family of birds by ornithologists, with other bird families related to them. Some of the examples of these birds are black-faced kingfisher, belted kingfisher, Abyssinian roller, purple dollar birds. Cuckoos, roadrunners and coals. One of the famous order of birds is Cuculliformes, since it has cuckoos which are considered parasitic along with coals and roadrunners. Yellow-billed cuckoo, chestnut-breasted malcoha, greater ani, dwarf cuckoo are some of the examples of these birds. Cargoos and sunbitterns. Cargoos and sunbitterns are the only living species in the order of Euryphigiformes, and many others are extinct. Some of the species are cargoo, Euryphiga, sunbittern, Euryphiga. Falcons. Falconiformes are the order of bird species that are best known for their predatory skills, falcons being the prominent ones. Some of the examples of this order are peregrine falcon, black caracus, common kestrel, crested caracara. Chickens and turkeys. Chickens and turkeys are the species in the diverse group of birds that belong to the order of Galliformes. Black grouse, marley fowl, wild turkey, orange-footed scrubfowl are some of the examples. Loons. There are 5 bird species in the order of Gaviformes that are also called loons. You can find them in the aquatic sources as they have difficulty moving on land. Yellow-billed loon, red-throated loon, common loon, Pacific loon, Arctic loon are some of the best examples in the species. Cranes and rails. Cranes and rails are the prevalent species in the order of Gruiformes that are known for their size and other features. Some of the examples are sandhill crane, Australian crane, demoiselle crane, corlin, or limpkin. Cuckoo rollers. Cuckoo rollers are the only species in the order of Leptosomiformes. Typically you can find these birds in Madagascar and Comoro Islands. Mesites. Madagascar is the only place where you can find the only 3 species of mesites that belong to the order of Mesitornithiformes. These are considered endangered species that are related to doves. Turacos and plantain-eaters. Turacos and plantain-eaters are the 2 birds that belong to the order of Musophagiformes. The unique thing about this order is that it has pigments of a copper base in their feathers with a crest on their heads. Hoatzins. Hoatzins are the birds that have blue, bare faces that belong to the order of Opisthocomiformes. There is a crest resembling a fan on the head of this herbivore's bird. Bustids. Otidiformes is the order that has bustids with uniqueness in them from their behavior to appearance. Unless these birds are frightened, they prefer running and walking to flying. Perching birds. Passeriformes is considered the most significant bird order that has perching birds in them, with strong muscles in their voice box and specific 12 tail feathers making them unique. Asian fairy bluebird, oriental skylark, and long-tailed tit are some of the examples. Pelicans and frigate birds. Frigate birds, cormorants, and pelicans are the group of water birds that are counted into the order of Pelicaniformes. Some of the birds in this order are prominently extinct or critically endangered. Tropic birds. Tropic birds, as the name suggests, can be found in the tropical regions that have seabirds that belong to the order Phaethontiformes. Red-tailed tropic bird, white-tailed tropic bird, and red-billed tropic bird are the only 3 birds found in this order.